Everybody, this is Chris from Montana Cigar Company, 4641 Flat Shoals Road in Union City. The first premium cigar lounge in Union City.
What's going on here? What's the vibe here?
This spot is definitely different from El Jefe. This spot came first, so I got all my war wounds from here, and then we did El Jefe. Both spots are attacking two different customer base. This is more of the traditional everyday smoker, down-home smoker, and the average Joe that wants to smoke premium cigars.
What's your hours? Because I know games can go kind of late.
Yeah, the hours fluctuate. We open at 11, that's solid. But we close at 11, and that fluctuates. Most times people stay around a little longer when watching a fight, watching games, or when they're having a real good time.
It's Tony Montana.
Montana Lounge, little friend, we call it. Say hello to my little friend. It's an all Nicaraguan puro, meaning it's all Nicaraguan tobacco. And this little thing is a banger. It comes in two different sizes. There's a box press Churchill and a box press Robusto. It smokes perfect. Cause I grew up on Tony Montana and Scarface, and the thing was that Tony Montana, he was a dishwasher, deported to America, and even though he was a drug dealer, he achieved the American dream of getting fame, success, and everything like that.
Right.
From becoming a dishwasher. So I thought that was a cool thing. So I figured that if he would have survived his untimely death, and if he wanted to open a cigar lounge, this would be the cigar lounge.
The selection, is it any different from El Jefe or same selection we got going on?
It's very different because since we cater over here towards everyday smoker, everyday smoker smokes on a budget and smokes a variety because you smoke so many different cigars.
Okay.
You can't easily pay $20 for a cigar if you're smoking 3 to 4 cigars a day. And plus, you don't want to smoke the same cigar over and over and over. So this location is catered more towards that type of smoker. Yeah.
This is where all the magic happens, and this is where all of the magic is. Like, wow.
Yeah, this location has a lot more selections than the El Jefe location, and it's because we cater toward a smoker that wants variety. They don't mind paying the high end for the Padrones and the Pacientas, but they also want a cost-effective smoke that they can smoke every day. Because we have some cigars that are $9 that are excellent cigars. That'll put them up against any $40 cigar.
What's going on here? What is this?
This is the Oliva V Milanio Maduro.
Okay.
And this has probably been on the top 10 of Cigar Aficionado for the last 10 years. A real good cigar, real great price point on it.
All right. Now this one is a little darker than what I'm used to. Now, does that mean anything as far as the flavor, or what am I in for?
Most times people think of a dark cigar, they think of a strong cigar.
Okay.
Or if you think of a Maduro, they think of a strong cigar. But now actually the Maduro, the fermentation of a Maduro cigar gives it intense flavor because it's always in direct sunlight. So that gives it a flavor, and that gives it, most times it brings potency. But the potency of the cigar comes from the filler of tobacco inside.
Gotcha.
And some of the flavor comes from the wrapper. And that dark wrapper is either Maduro or Oscuro, and it's more flavor.
Gotcha. You were saying the most popular cigar right now.
Pacencia, I'm a Forte. And now this one is called the Hexagon because it's kind of shaped like a hexagon. And this is beautiful. And this is the Maduro version. And this right here is the natural.
Nice.
People come here, it's more of a family type atmosphere. Everything is real friendly, laid back. Everybody kind of know each other. They interact from one side of the lounge to the other side of the lounge. We talk big sports talk over here. We support our teams. We do tailgate on Sundays. celebrate birthday parties for all the members, and people love coming here. And the customer base is really what makes this place what it is, because people come in and they feel at home. It's basically like a Cigars Cheers, where everybody knows your name. And people come in and they're friendly, and we never have no issues. We might talk a lot of trash on the domino table, and even talk trash on a chess table, a chessboard.
Now, I did see a sign on Google about don't play dominoes or something if you can't deal with it. Yeah, right there, that one right there. So is it you doing the trash talk, or is it you who can't handle it?
That was the famous sign of my kind of cigar house rules. One of the house rules is Chris cannot play dominoes. He can't take trash talk. And the colorful story behind that is because
I gotta hear this.
I'm proud Marines, PTSD, and grew up South Louisiana, whatever. So trash talk around the country is different.
Right.
You know?
This is true. This is true.
And I thought in Atlanta, the domino players I'd be playing, it was too personal with the trash talk.
Going for the good, huh?
Going for the good. How can you say I'm this and that? And you don't really know me like that. So I was taking it personal, and I want to slap people around. They're like, "Well, you can't do all that. We just talking trash on the domino table." And then they said, "Look here, man. You can't play. I know this is your spot now, but you can't play dominoes with us anymore. You can't take no trash talk." So man. I avoid that by I just beat them now. So you beat them, they don't talk trash. Delicioso is probably one of our best-selling lines for flavored cigars, and they're some of the best flavored cigars. So normally when people transition from flavored and want to start getting to a more premium cigar that's milder, then we'll move them up to Camacho, Connecticut, the CEO Cameroon, Perdomo, or the Romeo Julieta. There's a wide range of different cigars, and then you do medium body with 100 different selection of medium body cigars. Esteban Carreras is one of our bigger boutique companies that make awesome cigars. We have a big footprint of Esteban Carreras. I like the company. I love their cigars. We got the Unforsaken, the Brownstone, and different vitolas. The Hel Catito. Booyah! And one of my favorite Esteban Carreras is the Chupacabra.
Chupacabra?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Chupacabra is a mythical beast in Central America that terrorized little children and animals. And this cigar represents it. Even though it's a Maduro cigar, it's real palatable and real light on the senses. Real great cigar.
That sounds dangerous, but I like it.
This is Leo. He has a channel also.
What's up? My name is Leo Brown, better known as Barrels and Leafs. The YouTube channel is BNL Behind the Brand. You can catch us every Saturday, 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a lot of fun on the show. We drink, smoke cigars, and talk about the industry. Check us out.
All right, there we go. Now, of course, I'm going to do the one thing that most YouTubers do. I'm going to put them on the spot. We going to collab later on?
Let's do it.
All right. So
we got nothing else to do.
Already, I'm going to tell you guys right now, this is amazing. I'm very happy that you recommend it.
It's a very great cigar.
Oh, yeah.
You know, I'm pairing mine with coffee, just a little creamer in it, no sugar, and it's going perfect.
So as far as expansion, are we looking to see another Montana Cigar Company pop up anywhere else in Georgia or any of the other 50 states?
Well, Montana is coming out on its own. I got this thing where we call it the Cigar Cartel, and their affiliates like El Jefe Cigars and the affiliate I have with David Bohannon, Chris Jordan, and Courtney Jefferson. Over there in 3389 Main Street, College Park, right at location. And then the new one that's on board is Gotti Light Cigars at 801 East King Ave, Kingsland, Georgia. And that's the newest one on board. That's going to be the one I'm going to be focusing on out on the road, maybe next year. A lot of people want to start a cigar lounge, but don't know about the taxes, the laws, the inventory, even keeping a good humidor or building a good humidor, or centering their humidor toward their clientele. I take it as my personal pride and joy to immerse myself in the humidor of the cigar lounge. because the humidor is actually, if you're a traditional lounge that don't sell alcoholic beverages, your only profit is coming off of your cigars. So the humidor is the most important thing in the lounge. And so people can hire me to consult. If you think about opening a cigar lounge, give me a call, and then we'll talk some business. And it's basically like a turnkey. You tell me what you're working with, what you want, and we streamline a program to get you where you just walk in.
All right. So you guys make sure if you are interested in opening your own cigar lounge, check down in the description. We will leave links for how you can get in contact with this gentleman. He will help you out.
Well, this is Montana Cigars. This is the average Joe premium cigar lounge. Come over here and make you feel good about yourself. We have one of the best selections on the south side of the metro Atlanta area. We got the best prices of Atlanta, or none. With a wide array of selection, with a great atmosphere that we have here, it's a no-brainer. Come check us out. You can hit us up on our social media platform. It's our Montana Cigar Company, also a Hefe Cigar Company. Both of that spelled out, and Godly Life Cigar Company. See you later. See you here. Smoke well, my friends.